Hello friends, welcome to Become a Techie. In this tutorial, I will guide you through some basic MS Excel fundamentals. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I will first tell you after opening an Excel application that is in your laptop or desktop. First of all, this is how it will look. So here are few options like we have home, new, open. So when we are right now on home, and we can see good evening messages displayed for us, and we can see there are options like new blank workbook. So if I click on it, a new blank workbook will be created. There are other tutorials like welcome to Excel, formula tutorial, pivot table tutorial, and others. There are also some templates available for our quick access, and below it we have a search bar. So basically this is for a document, for searching a particular document. So right now I don't have any documents, so I cannot see any recent documents also here in the recent tab. Besides it, we have pinned. So any document, if it is pinned, we can see it in the pinned. Under the pin tab, right now I don't have any, so I cannot see any. Besides, we have shared with me. So documents that are shared with me will appear here. Basically it is a scenario wherein in a team some document is shared by some team member with you. So in that case, you can see that document under shared with me tab. And we also have this more workbooks here. So if your workbook doesn't appear in any of these tabs, you can go to more workbooks and check your workbook that you want. So this is about the home and new. We also have like this new workbook and everything. We open. In the open tab, when we click on this, we can see some option to open workbooks and folders. So we can pick a workbook that we want. We can browse inside the folders also and select an existing workbook and open it. So that is the facility provided by Excel to us. And right now I have already created a blank workbook. Just you have to click on this option and it will get created like this. Okay, so this is book 3 that I have created. Book 3 is the name of the workbook, and you can see we have different ribbons here. We have various cells, rows, column cells. All this I will be covering in the next tutorial, so please do watch my next video as well. So we'll start with the basics now. So this is book 3 is the name of the workbook, and besides this, in the topmost left corner we have something called as the quick access toolbar. So what I can see here is autosave, that is turned off. I can see save option here. I can see undo and redo options here, but those are disabled. And I can see one small arrow here, and when I hover on it, it says customize the quick access toolbar. So what is this? So here, if I click on this, I can see some options here. So we can see automatically save, which is clicked or ticked to be precise. So because it is ticked, it is appearing here, and save, it is ticked, it is appearing here. Similar is the case with undo and redo. So this quick access toolbar is used for placing those options or those commands which are used very frequently. Those buttons, those options, those commands, whatever you call it as. So whatever are used very frequently can be arranged here for accessing them really very quickly. So I also want to add some more options here. So how to do this? So just go here and click on something like email. So you can see email option or email button has appeared in this quick access toolbar. I can simply click on it and open something like an email. So this facility is provided by Excel to customize the quick access toolbar. Similarly, there are other options as well. Now, what if the option that you are looking is not in this list? You can go to more commands and select anything from this entire list. Suppose I am selecting this calculate. Now I just have to select it or click on it, and then I have to click on add option. So you can see it is added to this particular list, and then I can just click on OK. I also have other options, like for all documents is the default a default thing. I can also choose it only for book 3 or only for some other worksheet also, and I'm using for all documents right now. That is the default setting, and I can just click on OK. So this way you can see this has also calculate now option has also been added. Now if you want to remove it, so simply right click and remove from quick access toolbar. Also, if you don't want this if you don't want to go to this more commands and add the option that you want, you have another option. You can just go to any of the option here, do a right click and add to quick access toolbar. Like this also you can add to the quick access toolbar. So all this is about customizing your quick access toolbar and adding more and more functionalities to the quick access toolbar to facilitate your easy access to the options that are most commonly used.